Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. But before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Start off on the homepage of Shopify account, go into apps and search for CJ Dropshipping. Find exactly this app and press add app. It will take us to another link and press install app in the top right. Read and agree to the store authorization agreement. If you don't have an account, you need to register first. Just put in all the infos needed. Search the product you want here on CJ Dropshipping. Press list, and here we can manage everything. After customizing it, just press list it now at the bottom, and we wait for a bit for the listing to be created. You can also select or check the listing status, go back to Shopify store and view your online store now. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye!